One sunny morning, Miss Cat set up her sewing machine. Kitten watched curiously as colorful threads sparkled in the light. "Mama, what are you making?" asked Kitten. Miss Cat smiled. "A surprise. A lovely pink frock for you." She stitched carefully, snip, snip, whir, whir, until a soft pink frock with tiny ribbons was ready. Kitten twirled happily. "I feel like a princess." But Kitten giggled. "Mama, what about you?" Miss Cat laughed and stitched another frock, just her size. Soon, they both wore matching pink frocks, spinning and dancing around the room. Together they giggled, their dresses swishing like flowers in the wind. Miss Cat purred. "The best outfits are the ones we share with love."